Alright guys, today we're going to do a recoil rope, and we're going to get rid of this fancy OEM recoil handle and put an aftermarket one on it. On a stihl blower. Today's video is brought to you by Super Clean. I'll put their website in the description below. This is a br420c magnum. Alright, so first things, hold on. We use a stihl tool for this, T27. You take off three, this one's missing. There's 3 bolts. I'm going to take them off. It's a star, basically, a T27 torque. I'll put the tool in the description below. So we're going to pull this OEM handle out a little bit and cut the rope. And we're going to let this back in slowly so the spring doesn't let go. And we're going to get all the rope unraveled from it. Like this. Go ahead and cut this off again. And then we're going to take a small screwdriver or pick and pick the knot out from in there. Like that. Just, shove the screwdriver in, pull it out. Pull that out, get it out of the way. At the end of the rope, we're going to take and heat up with a lighter and then pull to a point so that it doesn't fray as we're trying to put it in. The rope through where the handle goes, and then we're going to work our way around to this hole. We're going to work it through until it comes out that hole. It's in there, you got to reach down in and pick it out with a small screwdriver or a pick. Pull it through. Knot in it, pull it tight. Knot down, get it jammed in back into that little hole like that. I'm using number 5. It's a very tight fit. 4.5 might be better than that, but this is just a little bit thicker and lasts a longer. Just tight fit. That's all. Now we're going to pull this up into a loop. This, we're going to put it into that slot. We're going to go to counterclockwise 3 times, 2, 3 times. Pull this rope here out while untwisting the twist. Just release this in slowly. Pull another loop, do another counterclockwise wrap, at least one right now. Back out straight again, let it go again. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, I think we're good. Good, because you're just starting to stick outside of the pulley. Just inside, actually. Yeah, it's right there at the edge of the pulley. So we don't want to go anymore. We don't want it to bind up. Alright, so now we're going to hold this. We're going to cut the rope right here. And then heat it with a lighter again. Pull it to a point. Then we're going to stick it through the handle. Tie a simple knot. It's not an OEM handle. It's actually a Ryobi handle. But it's what I had laying around. So I got a stack of handles back in there. In that shelf underneath those carburetors. They had crap everywhere in the shop. But I'll put you the OEM stihl rope and handle in the description below. You just click on the link and you're set to go. Put the bolts back in. T27, tighten them down. That's it. You're ready to rock and roll. I'm going to go in my bucket, hunt down another bolt, and this thing will be done. Alright guys, this helped you out in any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Today was sponsored by Super Clean. I use their products now. They work really well. I'll put the Super Clean in the description below. I'll put the pull rope in the handle in the description below. Alright guys, simple video. Hope it helped you. Peace.